Namaste children. Now we are going to see geography 5th chapter industries. Do you know how we got the notebooks? From where the journey starts of the notebooks? Yes, the journey of the notebook was started from the tree. When the tree was cut down and then it was transported to the pulp mill. Pulp, do you know about the pulp? Yes, the wood of the tree was processed and converted into wood pulp. Then the wood pulp was mixed with some kind of chemicals and finally changed into paper by the machines. So at last we got the notebooks. So in this way there is a secondary activities or the manufacturing was taken place. That is the changes of raw materials into products of more value to people. As you have seen, the pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process. Do you know about industry? What is meant by industry? Industry means it is an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extractions of minerals or provisions of the services. Thus we have iron and steel industry, that is the production of goods. Coal mining industry means that is the extraction of the coal, and tourism industry, it is a service provider. Do you know about the classification of industry? What are the classification? The classification of the industry can be on the basis of three, that is the raw material, size and the ownership. Now we can see about the industries on the basis of raw materials. Do you know about the raw materials? Yes, there are different raw materials we need for each and every finished products. For a shirt, what's the raw material we need? Yes, the shirt we need the cotton. Likewise, for the iron and steel, what's the raw material we need? Yes, iron ore. So that is on the basis of the raw material, the industries can be divided. That is, industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based and forest-based industries depending on the type of the raw material they use. First one, agro-based industries. That is, it means the use of plant and animal based products as the raw materials. Example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products and leather industries. These are the examples. Then mineral based industries. These are the primary industries that use the mineral ores as the raw materials. The products of these industries feed the other industries also. So with the help of the mineral based industries, that industry can be feed the other industries. That is, iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. Then marine based industries. Marine based industries means is the use of products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or the manufacturing fish oil these are the certain examples of marine based industries. Then forest based industries, that is utilize forest produce as raw materials. These industries associated with forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings. These are the examples. Second one, on the basis of the size. First one we see about the on the basis of raw material. Second one on the basis of size. Do you know how the industries can be classified on the basis of size? Means it refers to the amount of capital invested, how much of the capital we have to invest and how much of the people were employed in this industries and value of the volume of the production. So based on the size, industries can be classified into two, that is small scale industries and large scale industries. Cottage or the household industries are a type of small scale. So where the products are manufactured by hand or by the artisans, that is example basket weaving, pottery making, then weaving. These are the certain kind of the cottage industries example. Then small scale industry. Small scale industry means that is the lesser amount, using the lesser amount of capital and lesser amount of technology we are using compared to the large scale industries. That large volume of products where the large scale industries means they are producing large volume of products, but small scale industries means producing small volume of products. So what is meant by at last, what is meant by large scale industries? Large scale industries means investment of the capital is higher and the technology used in superior in large scale industries. Example, automobile industry, heavy machinery industry, these are the large scale industry. Small scale industry example means skill weaving and food processing industries. Next one, on the basis of the ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned, that is a public sector, joint sector, and the cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals, that you know or how the private sectors were started. Then public sector industry means that also you know that is owned and operated by the government. Joint sector industries, that means joined together, that is owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals, that is example Maruti Udyog, then Maruti Suzuki. These are the certain examples of joint sector industry. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, that is workers or both. For example of cooperative sector industries are handloom industries, food processing industries, dairy product industries. Namaste.